Watch out for the people in the parking lot. Pass them at a very slow speed and be ready to stop if they are not aware of you. This is a one-way street. If you get instructions to turn left, place the car to the left side of the track, and if you have to turn right, place the car to the right. Slow down while exiting the parking lot. Watch out for pedestrians coming from left or right. Drive in first gear at approximately 5 to 10 kilometers per hour. You have to give way to traffic from both sides. If there are no vehicles, you may continue without stopping. If you get instructions to turn right, place the car in the right lane. The traffic light is changing fast, so be quick to set off and watch out for the traffic light. Yellow light means that you have to stop, same as red. Check if there are vehicles coming from the left side. This traffic sign means that you are driving on a main road. Speed up to the highest allowed speed. A speed limit here is 70 km per hour. If you don't get any directions, continue straight ahead. You have to be ready to change lanes in order to continue straight ahead, because the right lane will soon be a right turn lane, as shown on the road markings. You got the instructions to turn right at the end of this road. Always watch out for the train before the railway crossing and adjust the speed. Start changing lanes as soon as you reach the broken line. Before crossing the broken line, remember to look behind, to the right, and to check if the right lane is free. Watch out for the cyclists while crossing the bicycle lane. The other possible exam route goes down the Roundabout. Prior to exiting the parking lot, you will get the direction to turn left. Watch out for pedestrians coming from left or right. You have to give way to traffic from both sides. Notice the sign, 30 km per hour, and lower your speed before the sign so that you drive a maximum speed of 30 km per hour when you reach the sign. End of 30 km per hour speed limit. If you don't get any directions, continue straight ahead, which means that you have to follow the main road through the bend. Check if there are bicycles coming from the left or the right side before crossing the bicycle lane. Look for cyclists coming from both the left and right side. They have to give way to you, but you have to be sure that they will respect their duty. Watch out for pedestrians at the pedestrian crossing field. In this situation, the pedestrians are far away from the pedestrian crossing field, and you should not wait for them. You get the instruction to turn to the right. Before you set off, you will get the instructions what to do after the right turn. There are two lanes, one for the left and one for the right, and you have to place the vehicle according to the instructions. The middle lane is a bus lane. If you by mistake choose a wrong lane, you have to continue in that lane because of the solid line. Although you have a right turn green light, always watch out for cyclists by looking in the rear view mirror and over your shoulder. Look also to the left. You are driving on the highway N200, which means that you have to speed up to 80 km per hour and continue driving at that speed. You are approaching a roundabout and you have an absolute give-way duty. Watch for pedestrians and cyclists. If you can't enter the roundabout immediately, stop before the shark teeth road marking. If there are several vehicles waiting to enter the roundabout, you have to stop before the pedestrian crossing field. You may not block a pedestrian crossing at any time. There is a light rail track on the roundabout. Watch out for the tram that may come from the left. When exiting a roundabout, always watch out for cyclists and pedestrians. In this situation, the cyclist gave the right-hand sign in order to turn right. Notice the sign 50 km per hour. If you get the instruction to turn left in the next junction, you need to look at the inside mirror, outside mirror on your left, and check the blind spot on your left side. Then you have to change lane as soon as possible. When the examiner tells you to turn left or right, you have to react quickly and check if it is free around you, and so you can prepare to place the vehicle in the correct lane. If you want to continue straight ahead, you have to choose the left lane, that is a left turn lane but also a straight ahead lane. Here is a multiple railway crossing, and you have to adjust your speed so you can stop if a train appears. Look to both sides before the railway crossing and avoid stopping in the area marked with crosses. In the period from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., the speed limit on the motorway is 100 km per hour. Adjust the speed according to the speed limit and traffic conditions. Traffic light after 200 meters. You are approaching a combined lane for entering and exiting the motorway. Adjust your speed to the speed of other vehicles and look in the rear-view mirrors and over your shoulder. If the traffic light is turned off or if it shows a green light, you may continue driving at the same speed of 100 km per hour or according to the traffic conditions. This lane is soon ending, so you have to move to the left lane. When driving on a motorway, remember to look far in front of you, which will help you stabilize the steering. Always pay attention to the traffic signs. We wish you all the best in your exam.